Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Kalpana Sharma, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, S.P.C. Govt College, अजमेर। बच्चों, मेरे लास्ट के लेक्चर में मैंने आपको इंसेक्टिसाइड्स का क्लासिफिकेशन बताया और उसमें भी मैंने आपको ऑर्गेनिक इंसेक्टिसाइड्स के बारे में बताया। आज के लेक्चर में मैं आप लोगों को बताने जा रही हूँ केमिकल्स विच आर यूज्ड विद इंसेक्टिसाइड्स। To obtain desired results, sometimes two or more chemicals are added with insecticide. These chemicals are added to improve adhesion, mixing, and surface tension. These chemicals are as follows. They are synergists, solvents, dilutants, surfactants, stickers, and deodorants. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे सिनर्जिस्ट। सिनर्जिस्ट क्या होते हैं? सिनर्जिस्ट greatly increases the toxicity of insecticide. Synergetic action. When the increased toxicity is markedly greater than the sum of the two used separately, it is called synergistic action, and such chemicals are called synergists. Most of these synergists are used with pyrethrum or pyrethroid insecticide. They act by preventing the hydroxylation of these insecticides by the mixed function oxidase system. They are often mixed in the ratio of 8:1 to 10:1, like Synergist 8 and insecticide 1. Similarly, Synergist 10 and insecticide 1. So this is the ratio of the mixing of the two. Synergists are also added to increase the effectiveness of chlorinated hydrocarbons, organophosphates, carbamates, and other insecticides. Indeed, most aerosols with pyrethrum and some of the pyrethroids for household use today are enhanced with a synergist. Most common synergists are piperonyl, butoxide, sulfoxide, MgK264, sesamine, and sesamoline. Next is solvent. Most of the organic insecticides are insoluble in water. Such insecticide must be dissolved in some solvents before they can be used as spray concentrate or aerosols. The selection of the solvent depends on its solvency, phytotoxicity, animal toxicity, combustibility, odor, and cost. Some of the examples of the solvents are carbon tetrachloride, kerosene, and xylene. Now we'll talk about diluents. What are diluents? Diluents are the chemicals used to dilute the concentrated insecticide. Such chemicals also served as carriers and are necessary to obtain proper coverage of treated surfaces. The liquid diluents of insecticides are usually water or refined oils. When water is used, it is necessary to add wetting and dispersing agent for proper suspension of the insecticide. When the oil solution are used with water, emulsifying agents are added. Solid diluents are used to formulate insecticide dust or granules. Common solid diluents are organic flour, soybean flour, mineral or bentonite clay, talc, volcanic ash, etc. Now we are going to discuss the surfactants. Chemical that helps or enhances the surface modifying property of a pesticide formulation. Inclusions of surfactants in the formulation of insecticide improves its emulsifying, wetting, and spreading. Usually, liquid insecticide, oil, and insecticide in water-soluble solvents are formulated and applied as emulsions. Emulsions are suspensions of microscopic droplets of one liquid in another. An emulsifying agent is generally a long-chain hydrocarbon in which one end of the chain is lipophilic and the other end is hydrophilic. When the insecticide and emulsifiers are added, the oil carrier disperses immediately and uniformly, giving a milky appearance. Effective suspensions are prepared by adding detergent-like materials to the insecticide formulation. Now the next one is the stickers. The stickers are sometimes added in the insecticide formulation to retain their active ingredients on a surface longer than otherwise possible. It includes casein, gelatin, and vegetable oils. Latex is added in carbaryl to extend the residues. The last part is the deodorants. These are the materials which are added to insecticide to mask their unpleasant smells. Many insecticides like the thiocyanate, pyrethrum, and several organophosphates have strong odors that may be offensive. This is particularly unacceptable when formulated for dome use. Therefore, several materials such as cedar wood oil, pine oil, or flower scents are added to insecticide concentrate to disguise odor. Thank you.